.2005 Chevrolet Avalanche Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. This vehicle features the following equipment, not specified: 8-sill, air conditioning, dual airbags, anti-theft security system, intermittent wipers, anti-lock braking system, anti-lock brake system, auto headlight on-off, rear window defroster, daytime running lights, folding rear seats, power driver's seat, center console, heated outside mirrors, privacy glass, power mirrors, trailer wiring, power steering, power door locks, power windows, clock, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, bed liner, tonneau cover, fog lamps.